Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This video is a little bit different because it is only a strap, a bag strap. And normally I do not do videos on just straps because it doesn't warrant a full video. However, I have had this strap for about 3 weeks and I have been wearing it to death in multiple ways, and I just had to share it with you guys. So if you want to see a little bit of a fun video, a bit of a try on with a couple of bags, please stay tuned. The strap I'm talking about is from Fendi, and I mean, this is a real surprise for me, guys. It is a real surprise, and you'll see why in a second. It comes in the most beautiful box dust bag and also this gorgeous Fendi swing tag. I mean, cannot fault it, guys, cannot fault it. So it came just like this. You guys know I don't like monogram. I am not a lover of monogram, and you'd say, Naomi, but that's a monogram. It is a monogram, I know. But for some reason, when this bag is worn, it doesn't give monogram vibes. It's just super cool. It goes with everything. It just enhances every outfit. I'm gonna show this strap with a few handbags. Haven't decided how many yet. I thought maybe 5, but I'll see how I go, so that you guys can see how versatile this strap is and how many bags it actually goes with. Now, the first couple of bags are a very obvious choice, and they are the Fendi First bags. This one's the small size. I am loving this size compared to the larger one. I really thought there would be no room, I would never use it. You know what? I use it all the time. All the freaking time. And I love the fact that it's so simple that if you didn't have the strap, you could just put it under the arm. Obviously you get rid of that, you just put it under the arm. It is so cool. It is such a cool bag. I can see why the whole world is in love with it, and now they're coming out with heaps of different finishes. I'm definitely gonna have to get another one. So first bag is the Fendi First. This is sort of in the camel color. It's sort of like a beige camel color, really warm tones. I think it goes so well with the strap. I mean, look. You'll also see mod shots as well. This strap is gorgeous, guys. I didn't even show you the details, but the embroidery is absolutely stunning. There are leather accents at the bottom here and also here, as well as like a loop thing for the strap. It has Fendi Roma on one side, gorgeous, and there's also Fendi on the clip. Don't know if you guys can see that properly. And in the middle it has the adjustable and also this leather strap, but just to hold the double layers down. And then on the other side it just says made in Italy, which is amazing, and there's also Fendi on the clip as well. But this bag, guys, and this strap just give me vibes. They give me vibes. You will see in the mod shots why I love this so much. I have been umming and ahhing about this strap for months, and I finally took the plunge, and I do not regret it one single bit. I don't know why I didn't purchase it a while back, because it is so iconic and it just goes with all these bags that I just didn't have a strap for, which is amazing. First bag I'm absolutely loving with this strap is the Fendi First. The next bag that I'm going to try with the strap is my large Fendi First. Now don't get me wrong, guys, I love this bag, I love the look of it, but it is a little bit heavy because of the hardware and this big sort of hardware piece. It is a little bit heavy, and I do find that I get a little bit deterred from wearing it because it is so heavy. I'm just going to undo my strap. Do you like my little, I've spoken about this in a previous video, I absolutely love this little pouch. It's such a little cute add-on. The chain strap is actually inside. I wasn't sure what happened to it, but it was inside. I'm absolutely loving this. And I love this thick strap, but I find that it's very short. This is a shoulder strap and it's not a crossbody. You cannot wear this crossbody. It's uncomfortable and very short. Even if you're a small person, I don't believe it's going to be comfortable. And I tell you what, guys, the browns, they're just giving me life at the moment. Why am I loving them so much? I don't know. But you can sort of see the Fendi strap with it. It's just amazing. And you can shorten this strap as well to make it a shoulder strap, but I like it a little bit longer so that I can actually do a crossbody. So that's bag number 2, the large Fendi First. Loving, loving, loving. Yeah, so I'm a little bit deterred from wearing this. I absolutely love the color. I adore this color. But I'm a little bit deterred because it's quite heavy, and when you fill it, it's even heavier. So unless you're used to carrying heavy bags, I'm not sure if this will be right for you. You can see in the mod shots how cool this looks. I've tried to keep my outfit the same so you guys can sort of get a comparison. This next bag is the reason why I bought the Fendi strap, because I didn't have a strap for this bag and I didn't think that I'll be able to use it without a strap. So it's the Fendi Graphi, this gorgeous Fendi Graphi bag. I love this bag to death. It is so cool. It really gives me an edge to any outfit whenever I'm wearing it. This quality is stunning. I mean, the feel of this bag, I just love it to absolute death. It's got this strap, which didn't occur to me at the time when I was doing this review, but I have a feeling that I can adjust this strap and make it longer. Before we put the Fendi strap on, because I'm going to have to take this strap off to do so, let's see. I actually don't think you can adjust this because there's only one buckle and one strap. So you have to kind of tie them to each other. And if you take this off, there's no way, like, you can't attach that to that and that to that because there's no buckle. That makes sense. So it can only be worn one way, which is a little bit of a shame because it is a beautiful strap. And because it overlaps, it wraps around, you kind of think that you can adjust it, but no. No. Now that I've taken that off, I could have left it on, but I feel like it would have been messy having a strap here and then one over there, particularly with this style. I find this style needs to be quite streamlined. What do you guys think? Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Oh my god, so cool, girl. If I was to wear this, this one's quite low. Hang on, let me just adjust. I think I did it low for the Fendi First bags because it needed to sit a little bit lower on me. But this one can actually sit higher, so I'm just going to adjust it. And I also love the fact that this is a guitar strap style and it's really quite thick, which I think is super cool. At the moment it's winter in Australia, so this is kind of perfect. It's really cool, guys, isn't it? I mean, it's so cool, girl. It's a little bit hippie, which I kind of like. But how gorgeous is this strap? It just goes so well. And now I can have it as a shoulder bag, a crossbody bag, instead of just a handheld, which I was concerned about before. This is very cool. I'm going to a festival shortly today and I think I might be wearing this. Haven't decided which bag I'm going to wear yet, but I think this is giving me vibes. I was really concerned that if I was going to eat at the festival that sauce would fall off onto the bag. You know how nervous I am about this suede. But with this strap, I can just swing it to the back and not worry about it. Not worry about eating over it, you know? Who else is a messy eater? I don't know why I look like I'm so proper, but for some reason when I eat, there's always like sauce or something falling down. It's super embarrassing. My partner always laughs at me, but I'm actually secretly embarrassed. All right, so that is the third bag. Are you guys loving this try on? I thought it was a great way for us to kind of visit some older bags as well and really kind of see what matches. You want to buy things that go with stuff in your wardrobe, right? That's sort of what I like to do. I don't like to buy something as a one-off or you can only be worn one way. I like multiple uses, multiple ways to wear things. So this is sort of giving this strap a lot of life by being able to wear it with so many bags. If you guys are loving this video, please subscribe to my channel. I do 2 videos a week mainly on handbags, and you can also head to my Instagram where I am super prominent there and I post nearly daily. I do giveaways, polls and a whole lot more, so check me out over there. Okay, I believe this is the last Fendi bag that I'm going to show, and then I'm going to show some other bags as well. But this is my, I call it the Two Girls, but I know that there's probably a different name for it. It's got the rainbow, it's gorgeous. I absolutely love this bag. It is super fun. And it does have a wide strap, but it's not a very long strap. So if I wanted a longer strap or if I want it to be crossbody and comfortable, this sits quite high, like up here, because the strap is so short. So I can remove this shoulder, this, top handle, but I'm not going to, because I do love that top handle. And these clips are so easy to just flick on and off. They're really good quality too. The hardware is really thick and beautiful. Oh my God, is it giving you vibes? See how it doesn't like completely match, but it does? Like the colors really work in it. It sort of picks up on the print of the Two Girls. Really cool vibes. And if you keep your outfit neutral and plain, you can really make a pattern bag work like this. I tend to find that when I have printed bags or a graphic pattern or something a little bit messy in a bag like this, I try and tone my outfit down, really simple, one color, that sort of thing, and it just really makes the bag pop and highlight the bag. But I'm also loving the 2 different tones, like the fact that, you know, even with the other bags, this is like an embroidered, you know, Hessian kind of looking bag, really kind of organic, raw fiber fabric, and then you've got something completely different and contrasting. I absolutely love that. I love mixing materials. So you will see the mod shots of this one as well, how it kind of looks with this strap. It's not a perfect match like the other ones, but it's not bad either. And if I was to travel and I had a Fendi First bag and then I brought this one as well, I could interchange this strap and it would still work so well. All right, the next bag I'm going to show is the saddle bag. Guys, I still use this black saddle bag. I use my nude one as well, but the black one, there's something about the black one. I really should upgrade this. This was like a cheapie from AliExpress. I think it was $100, and the quality of it's not great. So I'd love to get a really good quality version of this, because now I know I will wear this bag. It's not just a trend bag for me. I know for a lot of people it is a trend bag, but guys, this bag looks good with just about anything. Like, it is the dark horse of my wardrobe, because you just wouldn't think that it would add something every single time I wear it. I absolutely love the look of it, and I sort of love the relaxed vibes that it actually gives. I'm going to try it with this strap, because the strap that I had for it was this thin, crappy strap that I just didn't like, and I just want to see if this one will work better. Now this is going to be a little bit tricky because, okay, that worked. Because I'm clasping it in between the C and the D. We've spoken about this before, how a lot of salespeople don't know to clip it there, which is very strange because it sits perfectly when you do. There it is. Vibes, vibes. Are you guys loving it? I think it's maybe needs to be a little bit longer, but I mean, I'm just loving it, guys. This strap is just giving me life. I mean, and then what I also love about it is you can swing it to the back and it's like a saddle, you know, like saddle bag. It's like a saddle. It's so cool. It's so cool. You'll see the mod shots, how I wear it. I will definitely be using this Fendi strap with this saddle bag. I might even use it today if I don't want to take the suede one. I think it just gives vibes. It is so cool, really edgy, absolutely loving this. Really, really loving it. Alright, and that is the black saddle. This one is getting a bit chipped and stuff, so I don't even think I will sell it because I don't like to sell things that are not perfect. I'm one of these really crazy people that refuses to sell anything that's broken or chipped or damaged, or, you know, because it's not something that I would like to receive. So yeah, I don't think I will even sell this. I might just donate it or something. Okay, we're still going because I'm still finding bags that would look amazing with this strap. So next one is the Dior Bobby. I haven't worn this one that much. I don't know why. I think maybe because it's white, even though I used to always wear white bags. But when I held this strap up against this bag, it was giving me vibes. Giving me vibes. It just sort of adds this cool, you know, 60s festival vibe. So I'm gonna pop this on and show you guys what it looks like. I'm not wearing the right outfit for this bag because it's so white, but hopefully it will give you guys a little bit of an idea of what it's like. It's definitely doable. And if you say you're wearing white shirt and jeans, I mean, I think this would go amazing. Like, and I just love crossbodies that really hug your body like this. This bag sits so nicely against the body. It is really a win if you like crossbodies. I know why I don't wear this bag very much, because it doesn't have a top handle, and I absolutely love top handles. Sometimes I will opt, say if I'm traveling or if I'm constantly wearing a crossbody like at a festival or something, then I will not worry about the top handle too much. But from day to day, if I'm hopping in the car, going to the shops, that kind of thing, I need a top handle. So, but this is the Bobby. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the last bag I want to show is the Gucci Diana bag. This one has, well, they all have the bamboo handle, this style, but this one is sort of the off-white color. But when I put this strap up against it, it's super cool vibes. So I've got to stop saying that, I apologize. This is quite a small bag for the fact that the strap is quite big. So that's something to keep in mind, guys. When you've got a small delicate bag, you don't want a big chunky strap. But it works in this case because this is kind of a chunky bag. You know, there's chunky bamboo handles. There's big things here. It's quite boxy. So it doesn't look like a delicate bag, whereas some Chanel bags are quite delicate. But vibes, are we vibing? I mean, look, it's not perfect. It's not a perfect match like the others. However, it works, right? The bamboo, the relaxed vibes, the boxiness, I think it really works. Well, there you go, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long. What did you think of the strap, and which combo was your favorite? I know which one I'll be wearing most of the time, but you know what? This strap is so versatile that I could probably wear it for a lot of bags, especially in any that are in a neutral color. I think would work absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can head there now and also join our family. We are also on Instagram. I post nearly daily on there, giveaways, polls, and a whole lot more. So I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.